I'm Jeanine Hodgekiss. I've been at the BD Canaan facility now for 34 years. I'm currently the Customer Complaint and Validation Quality Manager at the plant. I'm second generation BD employee. My dad worked here for over 30 years himself. Over my 34 years here at the Canaan plant, I have worked with a wonderful, tremendous group of people. When people think of quality, they think of the product, but BD also provides the quality of life. All my managers that I worked for over the years, they saw my potential. BD has a wonderful tuition program. Without BD and without my family, both BD and my personal family, I would never be where I am today.